Holy crap, guys. Fire warning in effect near Norman, down in Cleveland County. This is just southeast of us. Now, the reason why these radios and WR120 and Alert Works here 10 did not go off. I had them turned off because recently there hasn't been any severe weather here. But let me show you the scrolls.
At Amarillo and Lawton. Once again at 3 p.m. From the Norman Forecast Office. 30s. Wednesday, sunny. Highs in the upper 60s. This is your National Weather Service radio station, WXK-85 in Oklahoma City, operating on a frequency of 162.40 megahertz. Programming originates from the Norman Forecast Office. We make the difference when it matters most. A red flag warning is in effect for the following counties in Oklahoma: Alfalfa, Beckham, Blaine, Canadian, Custer, Dewey, Ellis, Garfield, Grant, Harper, Kay, Kingfisher, Lincoln. A fire weather watch means that critical fire weather conditions are forecast. The following message is being transmitted at the request of Norman Emergency Management. A fire was located in the area of 108th Avenue East and Tallywood Drive moving north. Persons from 120th Avenue East westward to 108th Avenue East and north of Mary Lane to southeast 164th Street need to evacuate to the north. Follow safety instructions from local law enforcement officials. Orders and follow all safety precautions.
And there you have it, guys. Fire warning in effect. Most likely through 3 p.m. or 5 p.m. And then again, those two didn't activate, and neither did these two, because I had them turned off. Because recently severe weather hasn't been happening. Sorry, guys. I have a really bad coughing situation right now. The cedar trees have been really bad this year. But it'll get better this March. And spring is beginning to emerge, meaning that there will be more storms and humidity, meaning there will be more EASs coming soon after I get out of school this summer. Like, for the summer. And by the way, guys, only 2 weeks, actually about a week until spring break. And then I'll be able to upload more videos. So, again, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more EAS videos. And goodbye.